Hey everyone, it's Steve here again at Safe Bridge Mortgages, and I just wanted to record this short video to give you guys an idea about what you can do if you find yourself, if you currently own your house and you're saying, hey, I want to upgrade to a bigger place, but you're looking at the prices of real estate right now and you're saying, geez, I don't know how I'm going to be able to afford, a bigger property. So I had this exact same conversation with a client of mine where they were looking at the price of houses and they're like, it doesn't make sense for us to move. It doesn't make sense for us to pay all those transaction costs again. And, we're not going to be necessarily getting the home that we, of our dreams. So the conclusion we ended up coming to is if you've been living in your home for the last, 3 to 5 years, you've owned your home, your value of your property has increased substantially, 30, 40, 50% even. So what we're doing now is we're refinancing people's properties to take out the equity that they need to renovate, to upgrade their existing house, to make it the home that they're going to live in for the rest of their lives. Because they realize it's really tough right now to sell and buy something bigger. Prices are getting a little bit crazy. So for those people who have equity built up, now might be the best opportunity to take out some of that equity and renovate your home and make it the home that you really like. Renovate the basement, renovate your kitchen, do what you need to do to make it yours, because if you go and you buy a new property, chances are it's not going to be how you want it anyway, and you're going to end up needing to spend money on upgrades. So this way, you can save yourself some of those transaction costs and you can upgrade the home, you can make it and design it how you like. So I'm happy to have a discussion with you. If you have any questions about how you go about doing that, reach out to me, shoot me a text, give me a call, give me an email. I'm easily available. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.